We are looking at how to pronounce these two words that sounds a little similar, but they are to be pronounced quite differently, and of course their meanings are very different. The top word here on your screen is the number 3. 3. So it is to be said with the TH sound, starting with your tongue between your teeth. 3. 3. The bottom word means when you are free, liberty. You are free to do whatever you want. You are not in jail, for example. You are free, free. This is made by creating friction with your lips and your teeth with the sound F. Free is the bottom word, 3 is the top word. And now you know. Was this video useful? Let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe if you enjoy learning about correct pronunciations. More videos for you here on how to pronounce correctly. More interesting vocabulary in English. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.